Govern online master classes. In HVAC. Air conditioning heat load estimation. Introduction. Design data. Below is the heat load estimate sheet in IP units. Psychrometric chart in IP units. Step 2. Plot and determine. Plot dry bulb temperature, wet bulb temperature, relative humidity lines and determine grains per pound. Solar and transmission gain. Walls and roof. Estimate for roof as in the estimate sheet. Outdoor air heat. Step 56. Enter outdoor heat data. Procedure steps. 1. Enter CFM, delta T, delta GR, fixed factors for sensible and latent heat. 2. 1 minus bypass factor is to be used. This is the heat load of air coming into contact with the coil. Tonnage is equal to grand total heat divided by 12,000. Air conditioning heat load estimation. Practical activity. Heat load estimation of an office building. Design data. Office building in New Delhi, India. Architectural drawing. This was a preview of a presentation on air conditioning heat load estimation. I hope you liked it. Thank you.